Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time and I have not posted a video since a very long time, but here I am with yet another video relating to skincare. Yes, you heard me right, this time it is going to be skincare. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Bhavika. I make fashion, makeup, beauty and lifestyle related videos. So if you like my content and if you would like to see what content I create, then please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you will get updates every time I post a video. So for today's video, I'm going to review these two products from the brand called Amrutam. This is a hair care product and this is a skincare product. If you want to see what are my thoughts and what I want to say about these products, then continue watching. So let me tell you a little bit about the brand. Amrutam is a 100% Ayurvedic brand and they make their products from the natural ingredients, which is very good. They don't have any side effects and they are not going to be harmful for your skin or your hair. Amrutam is made in India, which is always a bonus point. I always try and support products that are made in India, although हम काफी बार products use करते हैं जो which are not made in India, but then I try to stick to made in India products as much as possible. Now let us move on to Kuntal Care Hair Spa Do-It-Yourself Hair Treatment 100% Ayurvedic. The key ingredients are Bhringraj, Amla, Brahmi, Mehendi, that is henna. Okay, and the oils that are there are olive oil and eucalyptus oil and triphala and a lot of other things. तो अगर आपके ड्राई और फ्रीजी हेयर है तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा हेल्पफुल हो सकता है क्योंकि ये बहुत ही जल्दी आपके हेयर को स्मूथ कर देगा. As you can see, my hair looks really good and shiny today because I used it today in the morning and it has given me really amazing results. Also, it claims that it is going to stop your hair loss. It will help your hair to regrow and your hair will be very healthy after using this. So talking about my personal experience, I genuinely feel that my hair has become healthy after 2 to 3 uses. Ever since I bought this, I've been using it for like 2 to 3 times or like over 2 weeks. So it has really helped me. My hair has become a lot smoother, which is a really good thing. So मेरे तो already my hair are not that frizzy. So it is helping me. For people who have really frizzy hair, it might help you a lot more. ठीक है. Speaking of how do you have to apply it, you have to apply it on your dry hair. You should have nothing on your hair, like no oil, anything. So you just have to apply it to your scalp and massage it really properly and keep it in your hair for like 30 to 40 minutes. You can also keep it overnight. I don't sleep with it. I just keep it for 30 to 40 minutes and that is enough. उससे ही मुझे काफी फर्क पड़ता है. If you want, you can apply it overnight as well. So talking about the fragrance could be a little bothering to you if you don't like the fragrance of henna. I don't have any issue with it because I really like the fragrance of henna. So fragrance wise, I think it has a really good fragrance, a very fresh and herbal and Ayurvedic fragrance जो होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसा है. ठीक है. Also, I'm going to mention the link from where you can buy this hair spa in the description box below. So if you wish to buy this, go ahead and check it out. So let's talk about this charcoal face mask, which I'm very excited to tell you guys about. This charcoal face mask is really amazing. It has an amazing fragrance to it. It has really good results. It does what it says and I'm fully satisfied with this product. If you are looking for a good charcoal face mask and you don't know where you have to invest, then this one is the one that you should invest your money in, hands down. ठीक है. It has a lot of ingredients in it which are all mentioned on this bottle. Okay, so I'll mention you some of the ingredients which are really helpful. So one is aloe vera, second is charcoal, it has lemongrass, it has sandalwood, it has almond, it has kheera juice, it has orange peel, it has multani mitti, it has rose water. So everything that you have been looking for in a face mask, कुछ भी जो भी आपको लगता है कि एक face mask में होना चाहिए, वो सारी चीजें इस face mask में हैं. So what does it claims to do? It claims to do that it will cleanse your skin, unclog your pores, remove your impurities and dead skin cells. The result is smooth and even toned skin, ठीक है, and suitable for all skin types. So I completely agree with all of the things that it is saying. It really does remove your impurities. It really does help you in getting a smooth base for your face and clear and smooth skin, which is very important. Also, if you are applying a lot of makeup, skincare is very important. So make sure that you use proper skincare products and invest in skincare also, because if you are applying a lot of makeup, your skin needs to take rest. So talking about how do you have to apply it, you just have to apply it with your hand, or you can apply it with a brush or anything. I applied it with my hands, as you can see in the video. So you just have to apply it all over your face. You just have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes until it is fully dry, and then wash it off with cold water. After that, apply a little bit of the moisturizer, because your skin might feel a little dry after this if you already have dry skin. So that is the only thing that I want to tell you about this product. If you want to buy this, I'll mention the link of this also in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. So those were my final thoughts on both of these products. I highly recommend both of these products. I love both of them equally. The charcoal face mask a little bit more than the hair spa. This review was helpful to you. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, and please share this video with your friends and family. I'll be really glad if you do that. If there are any other products that you want me to try out, mention them in the description box and I'll try them out for you. That was it for today's video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.